Nutshell's list view is an excellent way to visualize all your leads in Nutshell. When you click over to the list view, any filters you had applied on the other lead page views will also apply to the list view. You'll also notice the same filter icon seen on all company, people, and lead pages of Nutshell, as well as the filter options for assignee, status, and pipeline for Nutshell Pro users. To learn more about filtering leads in Nutshell, visit the link in the top corner to be taken to our Filter Leads article. Just below your default filters and above the columns, you'll also see summaries for the total value of your leads, their average value, and their average time they spend in the open status. Total value is always reported in your default market. To add another column to the list view, just click the column icon. To sort a column, click the header for that column. You can sort text fields alphabetically, confidence by their highest to lowest percentage, and date fields by soonest to latest. You can also export the data from this page if you want to use it in Excel for outside reporting. Just click the Export button in the lower right-hand corner of the page. Within a few minutes or more, you'll have a complete CSV of all visible data on the list view. If you don't see an Export button, this means that you don't have permission to export data and that you will want to reach out to your immediate Nutshell administrator. Do you need to make changes to your leads in bulk? Use the Edit button to assign multiple leads to a team member in bulk, change the sales process for your leads, or even to apply and remove tags. MailChimp users can also add leads directly to a drip campaign using the Export to MailChimp button. Check out our article if you haven't yet integrated Nutshell with MailChimp. The Email button can be used to send a templated email to a group of your leads if you need to reach out to them all at once. And finally, if you need to remove a group of leads, you can delete them. And there you have the list view. Thanks for checking out our video, and be sure to watch our other great videos about the different views available to you for leads. Happy nutshelling!